Experience powerful balanced sound with the lightweight comfort of the Sony WH-CH520 headphones designed for all-day listening. Enjoy seamless Bluetooth connectivity and long-lasting battery life that keeps your music going without interruption. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Sony WH-CH520 headphones, charging cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to charge. To charge your Sony WH-CH520 headphones, simply use the included USB Type-C charging cable. Plug the Type-C end into the charging port located on the left ear cup, then connect the USB-A end to a power adapter. Once connected, the indicator light will start blinking red, showing that the headphones are successfully charging. How to pair. Download the Sony app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Sony headphones. To pair your Sony WH-CH520 headphones, first make sure the device is turned off. Then focus on the right ear cup, where the buttons and indicator are located. Press and hold the power button until the indicator starts blinking rapidly, and you'll hear a notification sound indicating Bluetooth pairing mode. Once it's blinking, release the button and go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Select Pair New Device, choose your Sony headphones from the list, and accept the pairing request to complete the connection. Open the Play Store, tap the search bar, and download the Sony Headphones Connect app. Once installed, open the app and wait for it to load. If your headphones are already paired through Bluetooth settings, they will automatically connect when you launch the app for the first time. After that, skip the initial setup prompts and go directly to the dashboard, where you can access and control all the main features and settings of your headphones. Smart features? Digital Sound Enhancement Engine restores the harmonics and liveliness lost during typical music compression for a more authentic performance. You can even tailor music to your own taste with EQ settings on the Sony Sound Connect app for a personalized listening experience. With up to 50 hours of battery life, you can listen to your favorite music without worrying about running out of charge. And if your headphones battery is running low, a 3-minute quick charge can give you 1.5 hours of listening time. A built-in microphone provides you with hands-free calling, and it also works just as well for joining an online class or work meeting. Whether you are listening to music, in an online class, or working from home, your headphones will deliver high-quality sound performance. For total convenience, these Bluetooth headphones can be paired with 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. So when a call comes in, your headphones know which device is ringing and connect to the right one automatically. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Sony WH-CH520 headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Sony WH-CH520 headphones. See you at the next one.